Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel educationindia.com. In this channel, I will discuss how to create a salary slip. The video is going to be very beautiful. Let's start today's video. Before starting the video, I will request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for latest video. Let's start today's video. First, you will open MS Excel. Go to Windows tab and open MS Excel and go to new option and select blank workbook. Okay, and go to the view option and select page layout option. Resize the row and column, and 2 row I will change to 1 row, 2 column I will change 1 column. Okay, and I will change it okay, and then B1 second column, B1 column, and choose B2 column to E2 column, E2 row, sorry, B2 row, choose the B2 row to E2 row and also merge it. Go to home option and merge and center. Okay, and write here the company name, and I am putting here a company name PL Tech PVT Ltd. Okay, and also select the company name and bold it and resize the company name and also change the color. Okay, same process I am going to box to E3 box and also select B3 box to E3 box and merge it, merge and center, and then write here the company address 23 PC Bose Road, Kolkata, and then same process go to B4 box to E4 box and select the box and also merge it and write here salary slip, and also bold it, and then gap B5 row and write B6 row right here employee ID, and below the employee ID write B7 box right here designation of the employee, and gap 1 column and write D6 column right here employee name, and then below the employee name write D7 box right here salary, मतलब basic मतलब salary. Now select employee ID to salary, and also go to border and choose all border option, and also select bold option and bold it. Then gap one row and write B9 box right here earning. So friends, firstly B9 and C9 box select and then go to merge and center and also merge it, and D9 and DE box also merge it, and write here firstly earning of the employee and deduction of the employee. Okay. Firstly, below the earning options, write B10 box right here basic salary of the employee. Then below the basic salary write DA 15%, and then write TA 20%, and then step by step I write here HRA 18%, and then write medical 10%, and then the gross pay of the employee. Gross pay means total basic salary, DA, TA, HRA and medical, total added value means gross pay. Deduction, firstly I write here PF, then loan, then ESI, then tax, and then total deduction of the employee. And then finally employee's net amount, net salary. This is the final salary of the employee. Firstly, select the earning to the net salary till the net salary, and also select and go to border options and also get all borders. Finally, let us see how can look a box, and then write the B17 box, and firstly select B17 and C17 box, and then merge it and write here signature of the employee, and then select D17 and E17 box and also merge it and write here manager signature, the signature of the manager. Okay. So finally I already written a salary slip, and then I select first to last, and then go to border and also select the thick outside borders. So friends, finally I already write a salary slip, then select that total box, and also go to fill option and select white color, then look like that. Friends, now I calculate the basic salary, DA, TA, HRA, medical, PF, loan, ESI, tax, total deduction. So how can I calculate? Let's see. First, I get employee ID. Employee ID, I get here employee name, SS Bose, then designation of the employee, clerk, and salary. Now I cannot get the salary. Firstly, basic salary is 0, DA. DA calculate the basic salary into the percentage of DA divided by 100. Okay. So firstly, I get calculate equal to, and then select basic salary into 50 divided by 100, then enter, click enter. Okay. And also I calculate TA. How can I calculate? Select equal to, and select the basic salary into 20 divided by 100, and tap the enter key. HRA, how can I calculate? Same process, tap the equal to option and select basic salary into 18 divided by 100 and tap enter key. Medical, same process, equal to, select basic salary into 10 divided by 100 and tap enter key. Gross pay, friends, basic salary, DA, TA, HRA, medical, total added value means the gross pay. Then how can calculate how can I calculate deduction? PF 8%. How can I calculate? Same process, equal to, and choose the basic salary into 8 divided by 100, tap enter key. Loan, I can't get the loan amount, ESI 0 and tax 0. Total deduction, friends, PF, loan, ESI and tax, total added value means total deduction. How can I calculate? Get equal to, and choose, got the equal to, and choose as right here sum, and get first bracket and select PF to tax and close it, tap the enter key. Same process, gross pay equal to sum, and select first bracket, choose the basic pay to medical and close it and tap the enter key. Now net salary, how can I calculate? Net salary means total deduction minus gross pay. How can I calculate? Equal to, and select the total deduction minus select the gross pay and enter. Now I have done. Friends, now I have completed everything. Then I am writing the basic salary and showing it to you. Basic salary is 10,000, then tap enter key. Let's see, DA, TA, HRA, medical, PF, loan, ESI, tax and total deduction already calculated, and then see minus 19,000 means formula is some wrong, then total gross pay minus total deduction, tab enter. Now calculate it, net salary. Okay. So friends, this is the main video, and when I change the basic salary and automatic change to all. Now tab enter. Let's see, DA TA already changed it, and when I change it 12,000 to 15, I also change the 15,000 of basic salary of the employee. Then let's see, change total option DA TA HRA medical, all is changed. Select the first box and change the background color, and select earning and deduction and get bold and change background color, and let basic salary to gross pay, select total and change the background color. Okay, let's see. Main topic of discussion today: how do we make a salary slip? Hope the video will be useful to you. If you like the video, then please like and share with your friends. Till then, keep watching my other videos and with me stay. Thanks.